Hi, I'm Esther Livingston. I'm Berea's internship director. And on this segment of Who's Hiring Berea Graduates, we're featuring Tony Meehan, the Vice President of Engineering with the search company Elastic that's based in Mountain View, California. Tony, we are excited to welcome you. Thanks. And learn all about Elastic and this particular program that you are going to tell us about. So go ahead and get started.
Thank you. First of all, thank you very much for having me. I've already met some amazing students and professors at Berea, so I couldn't honestly, I could not be more thrilled to be here with you. So yeah, let me tell you a little bit about Elastic. We're a search company, as you said. We build free and open products that can be used by anyone to search for information or ride shares. Observe how your software application is performing in production, or even protect your data from attack. And so at Elastic, we believe by having a diversity of attributes and experiences and backgrounds and perspectives that we can just build better tools that will change the world. Like we genuinely believe in that. And we believe that recent graduates from places like Berea can help us bring in new perspectives and creative ways of solving problems. So I would love to tell you a little bit about what we call the Elastigrads program. Each summer we look great. Yeah, we look for recent graduates in computer science, engineering, other sciences that can kind of focus on programming to join our engineering team at Elastic. And so we just closed our session for the summer of 2021, but we're eager and excited to talk to students, students at Berea that are, about to graduate for our 2022 summer period that's opening up. And, these opportunities are on our engineering team. We're really focused on onboarding recent graduates into jobs like software engineering, data science, even technical writing. And we really invest a lot in the Elastigrad hires to, ensure you're successful and getting started in your career. So we'll do that through training and mentorship, and we really want it to be an enjoyable experience in your start of your career.
What's the duration of the Elastigrad program? Is it a full year, or what's the?
So good question. It's a full-time job. So it feels a lot like an internship whenever you show up, because we want to make sure that you're going through a program where you're supported and mentored, and you get all the training and resources that you need to be successful. But we don't want to see you go after 3 months after investing a lot of that in you. We really want you to be successful over the long term. So it's really meant for onboarding someone into their new career in computer science or engineering.
Okay, so 3 months with the intention that if you do well, you'll be hired on full time?
Yeah, it's a full-time job. Yeah.
Okay, great. And so what kind of requirements are you looking for in the graduates?
Yeah, so good question. And maybe I should also mention, first of all, that we're a globally distributed company. So we work remotely, means you can work from anywhere. It could be one of our offices in your city. It could be from your home, a coffee shop, or I'm not kidding, I had a meeting this morning with someone in an auto repair shop. Like, you really can work from anywhere. And I love that. That culture is important to me because I love spending time with my family. So that's sort of one thing. And in terms of the requirements, certainly we're looking for computer science graduates, but we also don't limit ourselves to that. We have a software engineer on our team that was a literary studies graduate. So we look for anyone. And if you live in the US, we usually ask, do you have the unrestricted right to work? And if the answer is yes, we'll ask you if you need help getting a visa sponsorship. And if you don't, then we'll help you get you sponsored. So those are some of the requirements. Yeah.
That's great. Thank you. What else might students want to know that would be, coming up on graduation and interested in working with Elastic? Anything else you'd add?
Yeah, that's a really good question. I mean, I kind of talked about it a minute ago, but I remember whenever I was in my very first job, and I kind of felt like I was in the deep end, and I had imposter syndrome. I felt like, hey, did I belong here? They're going to find me out. And we really want your first experience at Elastic to not be like that. We want you to feel supported. We want to make sure you're getting all the mentorship and training that you need, and we want you to have a really rewarding experience as you begin your career for the very first time. So we think that's really important at Elastic, and we're excited to encourage anyone at Berea to come join us.
Thank you so much. That sounds great. And I hope we have some good applicants from Berea. We certainly appreciate you taking the time. And students, we will put information either as attachments, depending on what social media platform you're looking at, or an Instagram in the link in bio. We'll put some additional information so you'll be able to find the details. Watch for other segments of Who's Hiring Berea Graduates or Who's Hiring Berea Interns at Beyond Berea. Thanks. And thank you, Tony. Bye-bye.
Thank you.